Such a beautiful day at the beach today. It is very sunny. The water is clear. Now let's see if the baits are still here. Because I brought my net. Ooh! Water temperature is perfect. I don't think the baits are here. There are fish there, but that's not the sardines. I'm looking for the sardines. Holy cow, what a perfect day! Perfect water. Oh, I think the sardines are here. Okay, I gotta be catching them. I'll have to catch them. Oh my god, they are here. Yes. Okay, I'll be fishing them. Wanna fish? Let's fish. So I can bring home. This is our last day at the beach today.